Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Mixed Drinks Recipe book is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your home bar experience. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist or a complete beginner, this book offers a treasure trove of recipes to impress your friends and family. Get ready to shake, stir, and sip your way through a world of delicious cocktails, all from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. The Home Bartender, 3rd edition. Are you ready to shake things up? This book features over 200 cocktail recipes. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced mixologists. Discover delicious cocktails that require only a few ingredients. This makes it easy to create impressive drinks without a lot of fuss. It's all about simplicity and flavor. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow. You'll find clear instructions and helpful tips. You can create amazing drinks in no time. Whether you're hosting a party or just relaxing at home, this book has something for everyone. It's your guide to becoming a home bartender. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your cocktail making skills. This edition is packed with new recipes and updated classics. Get yours today. What we like. This book simplifies cocktail making. It focuses on recipes using 4 ingredients or less. If you are looking for easy-to-make drinks without a lot of fuss, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Love the sections for liquor types, love the pictures. I have a few favorite recipes that are my go-tos for casual nights in and for parties. Love the 1 part, 2 parts, 1 part measuring for multiple drinks. The pictures are beautiful. Each page has a picture of a drink with what you need to do it and instructions, 450 pages. Number 4. Art of Mixology, Classic Cocktails and Curious Concoctions. Welcome to the world of mixology. This is where classic cocktails meet curious concoctions. It's a journey into the art of crafting delicious drinks. First, we'll explore the timeless classics. These are the drinks that have stood the test of time. You'll learn the secrets behind their enduring popularity. Next, prepare to be amazed by the curious concoctions. These are the innovative creations that push the boundaries of flavor. This will take your taste buds on an adventure. With this, you'll gain the skills to master the art of mixology. It will guide you through every step, from preparation to presentation. Get ready to impress your friends and family. Now, it's time to craft your perfect drink. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, this will inspire you. Let the mixing begin. What we like. This book dives into the art of mixology. It offers both classic recipes and unique concoctions. If you like exploring the creativity behind cocktails, it will inspire you to become a true mixologist. What people say. It has a lot of recipes and it's such a great coffee table book for the average bartender. I love the pics that go with the drink so you know how it's supposed to look. Very informative, with practically every possible drink combo, plus well organized, too. Great variety of recipes. Number 3. The Ultimate Bar Book, 1000 plus cocktail recipes. Are you ready to elevate your cocktail game? This book is your comprehensive guide to mixology. It's packed with over 1,000 recipes. Inside, you'll find a vast collection of cocktail recipes. From classic favorites to innovative creations, it has something for every taste. It's a must-have for any aspiring bartender or home enthusiast. This book isn't just a recipe collection, it's a complete guide. It provides valuable insights into techniques and ingredients. It's designed to help you master the art of mixology. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced mixologist, this book has you covered. The clear instructions and helpful tips make it easy to create delicious drinks. It's your key to becoming a cocktail expert. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound skills. This book will transform the way you make mixed drinks. It's the ultimate resource for all things cocktails. What we like. This book is a comprehensive guide with over 1,000 cocktail recipes. It's a one-stop shop for any drink you can imagine. If you want a vast library of drinks at your fingertips, this is the ultimate resource. What people say. It explains the tools, what they do, and which one you need to get started. It goes into detail on the bare-bones essentials to start mixing, and what you need if you want to expand into a moderate and even a fully stocked bar. The book breaks down each alcohol and explains the history, labeling, so you know what to look for, and what glass to serve each drinks in. It even gives tips on garnishing, and explains the terminology. You can look up drinks by their name and by alcohol type. Overall, I would recommend this book to anyone who has a home bar and appreciates making their own drinks. Number 2. The Essential Bar Book for Home Mixologists. Are you ready to elevate your home bar experience? This book is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of cocktail creation. It provides all the tools and techniques you need. Inside, you'll discover the essential tools and techniques used by professional mixologists. It breaks down complex methods into easy-to-follow steps, making it perfect for beginners. Learn about the different spirits and ingredients that make up classic cocktails. This book helps you understand the flavor profiles and how to balance them perfectly. From the perfect old-fashioned to a refreshing mojito, this book covers a wide range of classic cocktail recipes. It guides you through each step, ensuring delicious results every time. With this book, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to create amazing cocktails. It's your key to becoming a true home mixologist and impressing your friends and family. What we like. This book focuses on the essential tools and techniques for home mixologists. It helps you master the art of cocktail creation. If you are a beginner looking to build a solid foundation, it's the perfect starting point. What people say. I really enjoyed the recipes and writing style. Easy to follow recipes, aesthetically pleasing to look at, and cute little story snippets for some of the drinks. Provides comprehensive traditional cocktail recipes grouped by liquor, plus a few unique cocktails and virgin versions. Also including basic EDUC and tips on liquor types, measurements, serving, hosting, etc. Number 1. Big Badass Book of Cocktails, 1,500 Recipes. Are you ready to mix things up? This book has over 1,500 cocktail recipes. It's the ultimate guide for any aspiring mixologist. This book is packed with a vast array of cocktail recipes. It covers everything from classic cocktails to modern creations, so you'll find something for every taste. With this book, you can become the life of the party. It provides all the recipes you need to create delicious drinks. Get ready to impress your friends and family. This book is your go-to resource for all things cocktails. It's easy to follow and provides clear instructions. Get ready to shake, stir, and enjoy. This book opens up a world of flavors. It's a comprehensive guide to the art of mixology. It's the perfect addition to any home bar. What we like. This book offers an incredible 1,500 recipes. It provides a huge variety of drinks to try. If you like having a wide range of options and enjoy experimenting, it's the ultimate choice for endless mixing possibilities. What people say. Book is tiny but thick. Has some really good drinks, lots I have never heard of. I love how there are 1,500 recipes and they're all legit. This is a book you should buy if you're a beginner or you're just starting out bartending. This is the book I would recommend even if you just want to make cocktail at home. You will be glad to have this book. There are tons of interesting recipes. They seem simple and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.